In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your App Store region with Balance. Often when you want to access apps or services only available in a different country, you need to change your App Store region. However, this process isn't straightforward if you have any remaining balance in your Apple ID. Before proceeding, it's important to know that you can't change your App Store region if you still have some Apple ID balance. You'll need to spend it down to zero, which means purchasing apps, subscriptions, or gifts, or anything else available to fully use up that balance. Once you've done that and your balance hits zero, you're ready to move on to the next steps. The first thing you need to do is open your device's settings. This is where all the magic happens. Once in settings, locate your Apple ID at the very top of the list and tap on it. If you're doing this for the first time, you might find this slightly nerve-wracking, but don't worry. It's simpler than it seems. With your Apple ID preferences open, you'll see a menu titled Media and Purchases. Tap on it, and then you'll need to choose View Account. This section provides all the details related to your App Store account, such as purchase history and payment methods. Now look for the country or region option and tap on it. You'll then see Change Country or Region. Go ahead and choose this option. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of countries to choose from. This is where you decide on the new region for your App Store. Carefully select the country you want. This choice can affect the availability of some apps, payment methods, and even pricing, so make sure you pick the right one. Once you've chosen the country, follow the on-screen prompts to update your region. Apple will guide you through these steps, ensuring everything is done correctly. Now comes an important part. You need to enter a valid payment method that's acceptable in the new region. This could be a credit card or another method supported by Apple in that country. Without a valid payment method, Apple won't fully update your region, so be sure to have those details ready beforehand. By now, you should have completed all the steps. Remember, changing your App Store region can be beneficial, but make sure your decision aligns with your needs, as it can affect your existing subscriptions and app purchases. If you encountered any issues, Apple support is always a lifeline, ready to help guide you through this process. Enjoy exploring apps from a whole new world, and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.